powers which are promised are still not fulfilled to the Zilla Panchayat. So some of the members were very unhappy. But we are hopeful that under Chief Minister Parrikar, we are going to get in our tenure some powers, at least funds at the earliest. Passed a resolution saying that Zilla Panchayat should be scrapped if the powers are not given, and increase the number of seats for MLAs to 20. We met I and chairperson, we met him. He is also of the opinion that Goa is a very small state, and he is also favoring that Zillas be scrapped and increase the number of seats like Arunachal Pradesh model. He is in favor of that. They are saying to wait, we'll see wait for some time to see whether we are getting the powers, and then we'll decide.
How long will you have decided to wait?
That we have not decided, but maybe about 4, 5, 6 months we'll wait.
Another 6 months?
Yeah, 6 months.
पंचायती बरोबर झेडपी आता सरकाराच्या स्वच्छ भारत अभियानाक तयार झाल्यात.
We have decided in this meeting and passed resolution to have a program in the second week of July, calling all the panchayat members who are elected from all the South Goa Zilla Panchayat areas, and we'll felicitate them, and we are going to give them some trash pickers and discuss with them plans how with the Zilla Panchayat and Panchayats can coordinate to keep our villages clean and green as far as the garbage menace is concerned, because CM is very much interested and has put a proposal to the Zilla Panchayat whether we can manage it. So it is difficult for Zilla Panchayats to manage without the Panchayats. So we are going to call all the Panchayats and felicitate them. Is in a very bad condition, every time under repairs. It's a need of the hour to have another bridge, parallel bridge. And
at Bori.
And Bori, yeah, at Bori.
प्रुडंटा खातीर साव्यो डायस.